In this video, I'm going to walk through the process of inviting a new member to the 3D Experience platform. Only admin users can invite new members, so if you're not an admin user, send this video to your platform admin so they can follow the steps. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up your internet browser and navigate to your 3D Experience platform. I've saved mine as a bookmark for easy access. Then just enter in your username and your password and log in. Next, open the dashboard menu and go to the Project Management dashboard. Then switch to the Members tab. Here you can see the members who already have access to your platform, as well as all the roles you have access to. You need to make sure you have some available licenses of the 3D Swimmer role to invite new members. Just click Invite Members and enter in their email address. You can invite multiple users at the same time. Select the user rights, choose a location, and add a personal message. Then click Next. Select the needed roles and additional add-ins. Then click Invite. These users will receive an email with instructions on how to access the platform. Once the user has accessed the platform for the first time, the pending status will go away.